What's up YouTube, it's me again, we're in our video. In this video, we're gonna be making this iconic super speed effect, which is based on Quicksilver. So this one is actually like based on like the previous like super speed videos, but this is just a tutorial. It is not just like the Power Director, KineMaster, or Photoshop. This is really done in After Effects. So the others I made, those are like from the simple programs that I made, just such as like the phone. So yeah, before I start this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So yeah, just start with tutorial. So if you want to download these files here, I'm gonna put the link in the description. So yeah, let's start with the tutorial. Now I'm just gonna drag this, or another method for this is to go here, file, import file. If you had multiple files like I have, like these, you go multiple files, but I'm just gonna pick just multiple files for this project. Okay, I'm just gonna pick let's see what I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna look for the files which for a day. Okay, I'm gonna choose these. Just hold control and just left click so you can select them. It's like on your keyboard. So yeah, just click import. For all Mac users, I think it's command. I think it's like command click. So yeah, we got these files here. So the first file I'm just gonna drag here and just create here just a new composition. So yeah, we got this composition here. I guess I'm just gonna set this to quarter so I can. So yeah, this is my video, guys. I'm just gonna find the part where I appeared. I'm gonna select, I think, about a few seconds, and then I'm just gonna go here. And what I'm gonna do, this is actually based on Telefilm's video of Superspeed, so I just really just inspired by him with his creativity, because he's such a really nice boy, guys. So yeah, Telefilms, if you're watching this video, then you'll be really appreciate that. I remember I just really copied one of your like super speed video I just made. So yeah, just click on edit. Wait, I forgot. Just find the part of which you stop. I think right over here. Edit and split layer. Okay, this is a normal part. And this is this is a video in which I pick up the bucket, so this is like a multiple tutorial. I think I'm gonna go to a next frame. A next frame on which I find a frame. Think right over here. And I'm gonna repeat this all of the clips, especially the ones I'm running, so I'll just be right back. Okay, so once you're done that, it should look like this. The next step is to speed up the clips. So go to effect. Let's see. No, I forgot. Right click, time. Let's see, time stretch. I think I prefer 7. Please note that I'm not copying Telefilms. I am really not copying his tutorial. Okay, so again, repeat again with the next clip, especially the one that you're running. Right click, again, time, stretch. It depends on your clip, guys. Especially, it depends on the clip that you're using. Especially every clip, it's different. So, okay. Use a number that matches your video. So yeah, repeat this to all of the clips that you're running again. I'll be right back again, guys. Okay guys, so once you're done with that, it should look like this. I'm gonna show you a preview of this. Cause you see it's see the video just like sped up. Hmm? You see it's sped up, but it looks not realistic yet because it doesn't have motion blur. Because when you see like a moving object with the camera that has a lower shutter speed, it can be really blurry. So I'm gonna fit this to comp size. So click N to make it as like comp. Click an N and right click, trim comp to work area. Okay, so as you see, look. The next step is to put motion blur. So how can I do that? So go here, I think blur and sharpen. Let's see. I'm gonna look for the one that is a force motion blur. So the means that you're using force motion blur is that you're actually adding some more motion blur to the video, such as like a sped up object, such as like a car or helicopter that's in high speeds. Then you just added some motion blur, especially people running or something, like especially in sports. That's the reason why we have to add some like force motion blur so that it can make it realistic. So type in force motion blur or force. Drag it to here. And then I'm just gonna find the area in which I appeared. This is for me to adjust this depending on your number. I'm supposed to adjust this in a higher number. Okay, possibly I think 20 looks good. On shutter angle is think more than I think 30. Okay, 30 looks good. Yes, 30 looks good in that blurry stuff. And guess yeah, I'm gonna repeat and just copy this and go to the outer clip and just paste it there. Repeat this for all the steps. If your clip doesn't match well with the motion blur, just try to adjust the motion blur samples so you can make it into the right motion blur that you wanted. Yes, or shutter angle is better. Yes, let me adjust the shutter angle of this. The more shutter angle you have, the more motion blur. So, yeah, so anyway, I'll be right back, guys, again. Okay, guys, so once you're done that, it should look like something like this. Okay, just wait for the preview. Something like this when I put it down. Okay, just be patient, guys. Just wait for the render. There you go. See that? And I will put another clip, another scene here. What it looks like in previews, huh? So I can hear a bit of screen. So I decided to actually put this no volume because if I hear this with volume, then it's gonna turn out to be ridiculous. You can hear the like that chipmunk thing, I guess. See, I set these to silent. Up next is the sound effects. So I'm just gonna drag them here, like so. Make sure they're actually lined up correctly. Okay, for the first is the fast whoosh. So I'm gonna go here, audio waveform. I'm gonna set this somewhere around 13. So make sure it's really loud. Check this, I think, in the timeline, because it's really overlap already. Let me see what this sounds like. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna wait for this. Okay, I'm just gonna put this a little bit on the perfect. I'm just gonna cut this, and I'm just gonna cut the sound. Where is it? Like silence. Look at that. Okay, just have a good sound. And I also do the same with this top one here. Just go to audio. Okay, enable it. Waveform. So I think I'll set this around 30. It's your decision, guys. It's your decision to adjust the volume of the audio file. It depends on what you like. So this is my own personal opinion. It's gonna wait for the render. I know this is kind of really a long tutorial for you. Sorry about that. Because I'm great teaching the viewers, especially the beginners. Okay, it doesn't line up correctly. I want to line the sound perfectly. Okay, I just a little bit. A little bit. So another one more time, guys. Okay, that looks really good. I'm gonna repeat this for all the clips, the ones that have no sound. I'll be right back again. I'm sorry I've been repeating this. Okay, guys. After you've done all of those work and stuff, it should look like this with sound. Okay, again. I know you must wait this to render, but my storage is kind of low. Just see? Look at that. It's see me with that expression. I just videoed that Kagina during those days. Did you know that I'm also like have a Facebook account? Well, of course, I always have a Facebook account because I always post like some sort of posts that some are really important, some are really tragic moments that are from the other like countries, such as like Iraq war or Australian bushfires. So those are like one of those tragic moments I post on Facebook, not post. What's wrong with me? Okay, enough with that. I'm just gonna really place it. Sorry guys, I am not mad, guys. This really just worried about my grammar. Look at that. This is what it looks like when you've done all the process. Look at that. And it looks cool. And again one more time. It looks realistic. So yeah, click on Control A, or if you're on a Mac, I think it's Command A. I am not sure what are the commands in every computer. So right click, recompose, and I'm just gonna name this Superspeed tutorial, and click on move all attributes to the new comp, and I'm just gonna click open new comp. If I'm gonna modify something, then I'm just gonna click that comp for sure. So yeah, we're not gonna really use like this adjustment layer because we're just gonna pre-compose this and just got some color grading. So I'm gonna that's the basic color grading for you. Right, color correction, go to curves. We're just gonna make this like cinematic look. So I'm gonna go to the reds channel, go to reds. Okay, let me try to darken the reds a bit. A green, I think. Lighten them up a bit and go to blue, just darken them a bit. This blue is always dark. And let me see. Okay guys, that is really not what I wanted. Yes, it looks kind of odd. Yes, I'm not gonna put too much green there. This is like when I'm not using like those like third-party plugins such as like those like Red Giant products or something. Those are really expensive, so I decided to use the basic car correction. Car correct, and I'm gonna look for, I think, let's see, which one should I use? Uh, exposure. Okay, I'm just gonna bump this up a bit, offset, not that much. Reset this. I'm gonna correct the gamma. And what did I did? It's like hard correct this. As you see the big difference. There's a lot of purple, but I made this a lot of these like green. So I'm gonna hold these. It's gonna squash the video so I can make those like black bars instead of the traditional you just layer you saw it and you place those tabs. That's gonna really took a while. So the most easiest way from my opinion is this: squash the video, go to composition settings and set the background color to black, and that's all. As you can see, let's try to I can preview again. So there you have it, guys. That's all what I'm just trying to do is a super speed video for today. If you like this video or any of my other videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next video, guys. Peace, and don't forget, you need to render this media encoder.